Speaking English is not difficult. Make it as a piece of cake. Welcome to another new video. In this video, I'll be sharing how can you speak English. If you really would like to speak English, watch this full video from the beginning to ending. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and bell icon so that you can get upcoming all videos. So now, coming up. At the very beginning, get engaged with self-talk. This is really important to make self-talk. Even you can make self-talk at your home in your convenient time. You can practice in front of mirror. You can practice with each and every single things at your home. It's really crucial to begin with self-talk before speaking with others, before making conversations with others. So start from home on your own as much as you can. You can make self-talk with each and every single thing. For example, take a mobile phone. Let's talk about that. What about the mobile phone? What are the features of this phone? What you can do by using this mobile phone? So what are the merits and demerits in phone? How long you're using, when you're using, who use mobile phone with you, and how long you have been using every day. Assume that you can make more conversation with self-talk at home. You can make your mouth to speak English with others if you start self-talk at your home. However, think in English. Think in English. It's really crucial to think in English every time. Either thinking English, you cannot speak English because your brain will recommend whatever you think. Your mouth will produce the words, sounds, what your brain recommends. So always think in English. If you think about more in English, you can speak more. Whatever you're gonna speak, before that, just think. But one thing, don't convert your mother tongue in English. Think English, speak English. Most importantly, no common words. No common words. For example, noun, pronoun, verbs, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and some phrases that you can use regularly to speak English with others. After making more self-talk at home, when you're confident enough and when you think you can speak with others, make conversation. You can make pairs conversation, group conversation, and obviously you can make your speaking more productive. And productively, you can practice at home. So in this case, find someone and join in voice call or voice chat. everyday practice. Everyday practice specific hours so that you can get your progress if you start now. What's more, to speak English, you need very common words. You must need to know very common words to speak in English every single day. So get familiar with very common words which are essential to speak English. In this case, obviously, develop your reading skills, develop your vocabulary. Develop your vocabulary. If you develop your vocabulary, that's gonna be very helpful to speak English, to get a lot of words or even new words that you can use in your speaking. Okay, speak aloud. Now the most compelling evidence is that speak aloud. Spend time on reading consistently, even every day, regularly. That makes your mouth ready to speak. Another key point is that listening. Listen like a child. Surprisingly, listening is an outstanding input to speak English. So listen like a kid. Explicitly listening will make your conversation more productive. Listening will increase your productivity of speaking, your conversation, as well as make your speaking or conversation more effective. If you would like to speak, listen to English from various sources. For example, listen to music, watching movies, listen to podcasts, watching YouTube videos, listen to songs, and so on. So, hearing sounds, focus on the conversation, focus on the tone of speaker, focus on the sentence structures, as well as copy the intonation of the speaker. Surprisingly, the more you listen to English, the more you'll be able to speak in English. Another significant point is that whatever you do at home, whatever you practice, whatever you make conversation, record your voice. Record your voice so that you can realize your speaking, you can justify your speaking, you can understand how things are going on. If you record your voice, you can even measure your performance, you can measure your speaking. So record and talk, record and practice. Last but not least, Focus on the fluency, not grammatical rules. Focus on the fluency, not grammatical rules. If you think about grammar or grammatical rules at the very beginning of your journey, you may face a lot of trouble. You may face confusion. You may be stuck to speak. So don't think about the grammar or grammatical rules. Focus on the fluency. Focus on how to speak, when to speak, where to speak, whom to speak, instead of focusing grammatical rules. Most importantly, if you think grammar during your speaking or before speaking, definitely you'll be stuck. So never think about grammar or grammatical rules during your speaking or before you're speaking. Just speak, speak, and speak. Try to speak spontaneously. Okay, finally, if you have failed with all attempts, and if you were failed with whatever I have said, take help of somebody. Take help of somebody who are expertise in this area, or who are efficient in speaking, or who can guide you, who can identify your mistakes. So take help of them and develop your speaking. I think you can easily move and keep speaking. I hope you found this video more useful. If you did, let me by giving thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon to obtain upcoming all videos. That's all for me. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.